scholarship is presented to as a recipient of the Navotaas High School Scholarship in recognition of your outstanding academic achievements, successful completion of the 2026 Navotaas Scholarship Qualifying Examination, and fulfillment of the criteria set by the Navotaas Scholarship Program Committee. Given this 27th day of March 2026, signed by yours truly, Dr. Meliton P. Zurbano, and Honorable John Reynald M. Tiangco, City Mayor, Chairperson of the Navotaas Scholarship Program Committee. Inaanayahan ko po dito sa entablado kasama ang kanyang mga magulang. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong Miss Scholar ng Bayan na si Prince Paul Chris D. Mariano. Bilang pinakabagong high school scholar, siya po ay makatatanggap ng mga sumusunod na benepisyo. 16,500 pesos food and transportation allowance kada taon at 1,500 pesos book allowance kada taon. Ito ay may kabuuang halaga na 18,000 pesos kada taon na kanyang matatanggap mula grade 7 hanggang grade 12. Palakpakan naman po natin siya.